Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexus Nicole here, and today we're going to be working with Asteria hair. I bought this a while back, and all I got was a 5x5 closure and 3 bundles. In the package, just came with this little card here and with like a coupon or whatever like that. And I'm just showing that y'all. I'm just showing that to y'all right here. And I also got 3 bundles of 18 inches. The bundles came really nice. The length was great. The hair was very thick. Because I had this hair for so long, it was kind of tangly. But after I, unraveled it and dyed it and washed it, everything was fine. So now I'm just unraveling the hair. I did this to all 3 of the bundles, and I just folded them to my liking to prepare them for dyeing. Okay, so we are dyeing this hair black today. I'm using the Revlon Color Silk dye, permanent dye, in 11 soft black. And I'm also going to be using 10 and just regular black. And I'm going to use both of these interchangeably to dye the hair and make it like really, really black and really, really cute, girl. So I have my my grocery bag to the right of me, and I'm just showing y'all me like, making the mixture and stuff like that. You gotta pour it in there, cut the tip of the bottle off, and shake it up real good. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, but y'all already know what it is. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is just put the hair in the grocery bag and just go to work. I'm gonna make sure that I put enough to for it to get to I can't even talk. I'll make sure that I'm putting enough for it to go throughout the hair evenly. I am going back and forth with the 10 and the 11 just to kind of make it look, good. Because I do want that soft black. I don't want that harsh black, but I want it to look, more natural like. And I'm just making sure that it's getting through the hair. I'm running through it with my fingers. I'm getting it on the wefts of the hair because I do want this to look good. In the wind, when I'm blowing my hair, I'm not blowing my hair, but when the wind is blowing my hair and, all that good stuff. So I did all of this to all 3 of the bundles. And yeah, I just put them in the grocery bag and let them sit to the side in my bathtub. Okay, so on this closure part, I want y'all to tell me what I did wrong in the comment section down below. If you can tell me what I did wrong, girl, we're gonna be best friends. I ain't got no money for you, but we're gonna be best friends, okay? Tell me what I did wrong in the comment section down below. But basically, all I did was put the dye on the hair. On the hair, and I just combed it through to try to get it to the root. I didn't do my best in trying to prevent, mishaps. But if you can tell me what I did wrong, leave it in the comment section down below. And all I did was just put it through the hair, just like I did my bundles. And yeah, nothing too much, but I did mess up. So let me know if y'all can tell where I messed up at. But I tried to, put it through the hair evenly. But yeah, y'all gonna see in the next clip. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to bleach my knots, but I just wanted to show y'all that I forgot to seal my lace. So my lace right now is like really black. You can't really tell on camera, but your girl lace is black. I'm gonna try to take a picture and insert it, but the camera isn't doing it any justice. Like you can probably see, but the lace is tinted the lace was already dark for one. So I just messed it up even more because I did not put my stuff on it to keep it from turning black. But I'm about to bleach my knots right now. I'm using Salon Care 30 Volume Boom Developer, some Quick Blue, some foil, and just my products or whatever. So hopefully once I bleach my knots, the lace will kind of look better. But yeah, even though I'm gonna cut all of this off, I still just don't want the actual lace to be tinted. You can't really see right here, but this is where I want my part to be. So I might have to switch it to a middle part, which is something that I didn't really want to do. I really wanted a side part, but I'm gonna bleach my knots to see how it comes out. I know for sure I can put some makeup on it. I just didn't want my lace to be tinted, but here we are. So I'm gonna bleach my knots, and yeah. So let's get to bleaching. When everybody bleaches their hair, they have different, like, you know, views on what they want their bleach to look like. I like mine to be more of a cake batter type of deal. So yeah, but you want to make sure that it's not runny at all, or it's gonna get through the hair. But make sure that it's, you know, very thick but not too thick to where it can't spread. So that's all I'm doing right now, is just putting it on the lace, hoping that it was gonna change. Girl, it did some justice, but not really, but y'all see that in a second. But yeah, I'm just bleaching this, and I let this sit for maybe like 35 minutes or so, because I wanted to make sure that my knots bleached, because I messed up on the lace. So right here, I'm just showing y'all how the hair came out. I was talking, but I realized that my niece was playing her music in the background, so I didn't want to get copyrighted. So I just decided to do a talk over, but here's the hair. It looks good. Everything came out nice. I let air dry overnight. So yeah. Yeah, I got my hair together. This lace is still dark, but I'm gonna try to lighten it up with some concealer and stuff. But girl, so yeah, I'm about to just do my hair, and I'm gonna just let y'all see what I do. So stay here. I'm using my Infinity Pro from Nair. Got this from Walmart. This flat iron is like so good, so good. It gets so hot. So I think I'm gonna I plucked my hairs a little bit, but yeah. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Conceal, my Midnight Luxury Banana Powder to do my lace. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna just straighten it some more and make it more flat with my Got To Be spray and my flat iron. I had a hot comb, but my hot comb is so trash. Like, it's just horrible. Hot comb is horrible. So I'm gonna just go back doing what I used to do and just go parted flat iron, parted flat iron. So it is gonna take some time, but it's well worth it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just cut some layers into my hair, because my closure is 12 inches and then my hair is 18, and you can kind of see the difference. So I'm gonna start here and just cut some right here in the front. I just did some really short ones in the front. I didn't want to do like the whole thing. I just want to do some in the front. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take a little bit of my Got To Be glued, and I'm gonna lay my frizzies down. Okay, so now I'm gonna just throw some quick curls in my hair. So I'm gonna be back when I'm finished curling my hair. So I didn't mention it in the video, but I did spray my lace down with some Got2b spray, and I did use a little bit of Got2b glued just to keep my lace down, and then I tied it with one of my hair ties that I got from Etsy. So yeah, that's why you see my hair looking like I'm from the 70s or something. So yeah, your girl was still looking sad because my lace was just still too dark, honey. So I tried to fix it as much as I can. I even thought about putting my hair behind my ear just to cover it up. But after a while, I don't know what happened, but it kind of got lighter. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was just the eyeshadow I put on it or what. But sooner or later it started to blend in, and it was just really weird. But it's still dark though, girl. So yeah, I tried to put some eyeshadow on it, and it kind of helped, but not really. But yeah, I don't know, y'all. It was crazy. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Here's how my hair looks right now. Just some really soft curls. I did it with my butter from Walmart, like I told y'all, the Infinity Pro Nair iron. I got the Bang Yang working. I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know, but this is my hair from now. Hi guys, so I just want to come back and end this video appropriately. The rest of my footage did get deleted. All the links to this hair will be in the description box down below if you want to check this hair out from Asteria Hair. Thank you all so much for watching. Here's some footage from my birthday on how the hair looked in some light. It was beautiful and I loved it so much. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video and my channel, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.